Hey everyone, welcome back. This evening is gonna be a shave just for me. I mean, it's one that I've had a day. Let's just say that. And you ever have those days where you just need a good shave? That's what I'm doing today. So the soap this evening is going to be one of my absolute favorite scents, favorite bases, favorite artisans. You name it, it's up there in the top 5. That is Copalli from PAA. Absolutely love Copalli, love the scent. If you've watched the videos for a while, you know I've had this early. Absolutely love it. This is about halfway gone or more. This stuff is fantastic. This is my second all-time favorite scent. Very narrowly behind Black Amber Vanilla from WSP. And I think I mention that every time I use Copalli because it's just super narrow margin. I love Copalli, that I have the splash, and I also have the beard oil, and I have the EDP. No, the beard oil and EDP were gifts, but I would buy those anyway because I just love it. I'm using my sink because I just watched a video by John June where he face lathers, but he dipped his brush in the basin or the sink, and there's all this stuff from the soap in this water, so it kind of adds a little slickness to it. So I'm using that. The bowl this evening is the copper Captain's Choice bowl. Everything goes up there. The brush, out with the Simpson Chevy 2. This is my favorite production synthetic. Yeah, I have the Evo and the Trafalgar and everything, but there's something about this Chevy 2 that I absolutely love. It's soft, it has backbone, it's a gorgeous knot. The handle could be slightly bigger. Only complaint. The eraser this evening is this titanium Timeless TI-95 with a 30s feather. Absolutely love that razor. That is becoming one of my go-to razors, actually. Absolutely love that thing. Just a joy to use. I did not apply the cube this evening. Now, Copalli is in the CK6. So, it really doesn't need an additional lather boost, slickness boost, whatever you get from the cube. But if you use Cosmic Christmas Cookies, try saying that 3 times fast, last year, it has activated charcoal in it. So basically, that is like taking CK6 and using the cube with that soap. And it's really good. The post-shave film on that is fantastic. Not that the post-shave on CK6 is a slouch. It's not. It's one of my favorite bases for a reason. But if you add that little addition, that activated charcoal, just makes it a little bit smoother, or a little bit slicker. Not a lot, you don't need it. Still doing this sneaking bump, blemish, ingrown hair, whatever right there. Used the Chevette last night and kind of opened up a little bit. See if I can avoid opening it with the feather tonight. I can't tell if it's open or not. It's like it's not. But this Timeless is so smooth with the even with the feather. Not that the feather feels dangerous or scary normally. This kind of tames even more. If you can hear the music in the background, that is German punk band Die Ärzte. One of my favorite bands. If you don't speak German, their name literally means the dead pants. Or if you're British, the dead trousers. Now, that is a saying in German, meaning party pooper. Or killjoy would be another way to say it as well. So they're the party poopers, the killjoys, what it would be in English. I went the wrong way on that one. Oops. That was against the grain on that first pass. I'm gonna pay for that later. All right, we're gonna mark the mist because of all the hair and crap in there. Oh man, Copalli is just such a dang good scent. I just absolutely love it. Puts me in a good mood when I use it. I don't need to do my neck yet. CK6 is just a phenomenal performer as well. It's thirsty. It can take a good amount of water without breaking. I'm keeping the goatee. Going back to old habits. There we go. And this razor, like I said, is just an absolute joy to use. I love the weight on this. It is, as I mentioned, it is titanium. It's extremely lightweight. Feels very much like my above the tie Calypso, but my above the tie is currently on loan. So I do want to compare these because they're both lightweight. They're both efficient. On the Calypso, I do have the H plate, or the heavy, or the most aggressive plate. The Timeless is it's TI-95, so it's the point, or 9.5, or whatever it is, 0.95 blade gap. But it is exceptionally smooth and very efficient. And a lot of people do a 2-pass shave with that in their BBS. But like I said, this shave's for me. I'm enjoying it. May not look like it because I'm only less than 8 minutes in and I'm starting my 3rd pass. But I sat here and built the lather off camera. I'm enjoying playing with the lather here. I'll probably shave my head afterwards off camera because I love this lather and the scent so much. I'm gonna enjoy it. Song's kind of fitting for my day today. I like going to that though. Dang. Just gorgeous. Yeah, no, I've been quiet. Like I said, I'm just enjoying this. This is just gorgeous. The scent. Plenty of slickness on the soap. Now, as I said, since this is a shave for me, I went with one of my favorite scents. And I did say that Copalli is my 2nd favorite behind Black Amber Vanilla. Why did I go with Black Amber Vanilla? I could have. Really, in reality, Black Amber Vanilla and Copalli, and I'm gonna get crap from Shady from saying this, they're kind of tied almost for first. Depending on the mood, Black Amber Vanilla edges out Copalli. Sometimes Copalli edges out Black Amber Vanilla. If I could only have 5 scents, heck, we'll say if I could only have 3 scents for the rest of my life, Copalli and Black Amber Vanilla are on that list. 3rd one, I don't know what that one is yet. That just depends on the day, month, hour sometimes. I know if it was just based off of base, that's no problem. Exactly, that would be just based on artisan base performance. But scent-wise, the artisan spot number 3 for performance-wise has some really good scents as well. The hard part is deciding which one of those scents would be number 3. And you hear somebody out there going, "Whoa, who's the number 3? Who is it?" If you watch the channel long enough, you might be able to figure that out. I'm not going to tell you. Why? I don't feel like it tonight. I will give you a hint though. It's one I've used a lot on the channel. It is one that I'm starting to see a lot more people use on on Instagram, Facebook, Shave of the Days, that kind of thing. Even YouTube. And that makes me exceedingly happy that people are starting to use this artisan. Oh, look at that. There'll be a hint. Videos coming up. Oh man. That was gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Loved everything about that shave. The timeless, beautiful, beautiful razor. You know, I have time at 12 minutes. Goatee kind of takes a little bit of time here. The goatee is about a week's worth of growth. Let's see, what is tonight? Yeah, I started growing it on Sunday. It's now the end of the week. I know I'm nowhere near what Raza does. If you're not familiar with Raza, when he's not exceedingly busy, he has a YouTube channel as well, Shaving with Raza. Link to his channel below as well. Really, really good content, really good guy. Finishing off with some Copalli. Check out Raza. There will be links to PDA below. There's an affiliate link as well. If you're so inclined, you can use the affiliate link to buy the PDA stuff. Oh, man, this stuff is just magical. I still stand behind my asking Deluxe to buy this in person when I first smelled it. Zero regrets on this scent. Absolutely zero. All right, now, because I can, I haven't done beard oil yet. I don't know why. Like I said, this one's for me tonight. I'm spoiling myself. For those of you that have goatees, mustaches, Van Dykes, full beards, whatever, if you use beard oil, and I know I've probably lost about 90% of my audience by now, but if you use beard oil, cool thing with PAA, the restrictor in there, kind of squeegees off the outside of your dropper. So you're not getting excess drops in your hands. If you're thinking about starting to grow a goatee, facial hair, whatever, definitely look into some good beard oil. Helps kind of keep the face underneath moisturized, as well as some good beard balm, especially with winter months coming up. Anyway, that's gonna do it for me in this wonderfully enjoyable shave for myself tonight. Again, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch y'all next time.